It can take more than just a few candles and a Marvin Gaye song to feel sexy. A healthy lifestyle, from the food you eat to the exercise you do, can make you look and feel better and improve your sex life too. At the same time, some food can be mood and libido killers. However, today we have planned to focus on the food which will give your libido an instant boost without popping a Viagra. Let's take a look at the top 5 aphrodisiac then. Almond and walnut. The boost of energy and stamina you get from popping a few between meals makes them a good prerequisite to a healthy romp. Black raspberries. Both the berries and the seeds will transform your mindset for getting in the mood, so pop in a handful a day to keep bedroom boredom at bay. Clove. This sex superfood is versatile when it comes to cooking. It can be brewed in hot apple cider, infused in your favorite exotic dish, or added to a chai, tea or latte. Just make sure to share it with your guy too. Avocados. The name for this South American fruit derives from the Aztec language Nahuatl, in which it meant testicle, a name chosen for the fruit's unusual shape. They are rich in unsaturated fats, making them very heart healthy. And a healthy heart keeps the blood flowing to all the right places, you see. Spinach. Come to think of it, Popeye and Olive are always chasing one another around. Eating spinach puts you in the mood by increasing blood flow below the belt. And now you know why Popeye and his darling were so much in love. Try out these crazy foods and let me know your take on them right below in the comment box. And do not forget to subscribe to Foodies.